Namaste everyone. Welcome to Udaya's classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about an important topic, that is dimensions of business environment with a comparison of current phenomenon. Let's get up with the class. Alright. The first dimension is over. The second dimension is over. We are going to see the third dimension, which is political environment, right? What I mean by dimensions, first of all, dimensions means it measures the that means length, breadth, everything, right? We used to say 3D film, 4D film. So it refers to height, length, breadth, everything, right? So the measurements. Fine. So in this measurement, in this dimension, if we see business environment, how it will get affected, that is what it's called. So political environment. So how the political environment is going to affect the business environment, let's see. It constitutes all the factors related to government affairs such as type of government, power, attitude of government towards different groups of societies, etc. So politically, if the government shows its powers and its attitude differently with the different groups of people, means which will affect the business environment. So people, those who are engaged in the business, so we would have seen many films, in many films, political related to films and all, if you have seen, means you will understand more. I cannot explain further, like getting financial things, other aspects and all other things, right? So here with the present thing, we can take COVID-19 example. We will just try to apply. Here I have given a pictorial representation, political environment. So how it will, the political system and the political justification towards the business environment, political philosophies, all these things will affect the business environment, right? Fine. So related to government, if the government power shows differently with the different group of people, it will affect the business environment. So related to COVID-19, now what the government has done, first the government has announced it is a complete lockdown, all the industries to be closed, all the shops to be closed, all the business to be closed. It's a complete lockdown, right? So what it did, it shows its power. So what happened, from right from top level people, from right from top to bottom level people, they started raising so much of questions. So what we will be doing, what will happen to our production process, and what will happen to our business if we lock down completely? All our investments will get wasted. So from the top level, the government will receive a lot of questions. When the government receives n number of questions, obviously the political, that is the government, should show its attitude, right? When the bottom level people ask so much of questions, what we will be doing if we are not doing anything, what we will be doing for our livelihood, what we will be doing for our food, we cannot do anything if you lock down all the businesses and institutions or any companies or organization. The employees will be unemployed, they will not get any income, salaries will not be there, then it will affect their livelihood very badly. So from all the levels, the government is receiving so much of troubles. So what the government will do, obviously it has to take some steps. If the government shows power, now what the government will do, if from all the levels, if the government receives the questions, the government does not have huge finance to satisfy all the level of people, right? So what they try to do now, they started to liberalize. So people started moving around and they started their business, not 100%, but some extent they have started opening everything. Whether the that is the count is decreasing, COVID, that is the disease rate is decreasing or what? No, it is getting increased. So what the government is doing, let us leave you freely, you do whatever you want, you just see what is going to happen. Again the rate is increasing. So when it increased, when we see through our own eyes. What we will be doing? Next lockdown will come soon, right? So this is what is going to happen. So political, with the present scenario, I just told an example. So politically, if the government try to show its power or its attitude of government towards different groups of society, it will affect the business environment. So any kind of attitude, it could be a positive attitude or a negative attitude of government, whatever it is, it will affect the business environment. If it is a positive attitude, it is good for business environment. If it is negative attitude, it will affect the business environment. Any example you can just apply and just imagine on your own, you will understand further. Okay, let's move on to the next topic, that is next dimension, that is legal environment. What do you mean by legal environment? Legally, the steps, rules and regulations will be taken up towards the business. Why the legal steps to be taken toward the business environment? When the business is not following the rules and regulations which is prescribed by the government legally. So legally, when the rules and regulations prescribed, the business should follow. When it is not following, legal actions will be taken up, right? That is what the meaning. So it constitutes the laws and various legislations passed in the method of production, use of equipments and machineries to improve the quality of product. Can you understand now? If the legal rules and regulation, that is laws and legislations passed, why it should be passed? Production. So if the particular company engaged in the production process, the production methods and things to be done like this only, like that, the rules and regulations, laws will be prescribed earlier when the company started itself. So when the production process as per the legal rules and regulation, if it is not going, what will happen? The legal actions will be taken up by the government and it will affect the business environment. So how the equipments of the particular company to be used in order to provide quality product to the society, and machineries, tools, all how it should be used, everything will be legally informed earlier, well in advance to the companies. So after informing, if the company is not following, legal actions will be taken up. I'll tell you an example. Textile manufacturing company. If the textile manufacturing industry, if it is engaged in the process of manufacturing textiles, the wastage of the industries should not be discharged in the river water, which is the textile industry is nearby the river. So it should not be discharged because it will harm the society people. So that is the law. So the chemicals and the dyeing colors should not be discharged in the river water. If the company does so, what will happen? The legal action to be taken up towards the particular textile industry. So this could be an ideal example for legal environment. So legally, if they try to take any actions, it will affect the business environment. Let's move on to the next environment. Almost we have completed political environment and the fourth petal also over. We have come to technological environment. We have come to the last dimension, that is technological environment. How the technological environment will affect the business environment? It refers to changes taking place in the method of production, use of equipments and machineries to improve the quality of product. So what does it mean? All the technological, in order to produce any goods, if we use any earlier many manpower, that is employees will be working more in the organizations where the production process is engaged. Nowadays, in all huge companies like manufacturing companies, like they are importing all plant and machinery from abroad companies and they are trying to avoid the employees, and even more robots are introduced. So what is happening? They are in their production process, they are trying to incorporate the technology more. When the technology comes, more unemployment also will come. Obviously, we cannot say no. That is what it includes. So, use of equipments and machineries to improve the quality of product. So, if you ask, comparing to men, The robots and the machineries will do the perfect work, like that they will say. So that is one way it is true also. So all these technological change also will affect the business environment. Let's take up an example here. Entry of smartphones had a great impact on camera companies. Initially, before 10-12 years, only smartphones entered. We were using cameras like Kodak camera. Now, where is Kodak company? No Kodak company, because people are not preferring to take cameras. Even if they have camera also, they are preferring to take photos and videos in mobile only, because it's very compact and it is very easy to carry also, right? So entry of the smartphone technology had replaced the Kodak camera itself. So that is how the technology will create a huge impact in the business environment. Now Kodak company has affected very badly, right? Why? Because of this technology smartphone. So we cannot say technology is bad, but how it is affecting the business environment, that is what we are discussing. So what the business have to do according to the changing environment related to all these dimensions. So in all these dimensions to be concentrated by the business people. So accordingly business people have to change. That is the reason why business should be very dynamic. It should be adaptable to change at any time according to all these dimensions. So can you understand now why the business environment is very dynamic, as so far we have discussed in many classes. So it is not easy to be a business person or any entrepreneur. Many society people to be satisfied, many dimensions people have to think, that is business people have to think. Their activities are very complex. They cannot concentrate only in earning profit alone. Profit, of course profit is the lifeblood of the business, but they have to concentrate many areas. Their activities are very complex and they have to satisfy all the people's need. Technology, it could be economic need, social need, technological need, political need, legal need, whatever it could be. So all the dimensions business people have to work and they have to satisfy. Crossing all these dimensions only they can earn their huge profit. So we have to understand the problem of the business environment also. Right, so I have just done a pictorial representation here. It's about technology. You would have seen in many films, if people touches, all technologies will come in front of them, right? So like that it is. I have given here a vocabulary. This is actually I have written for social environment. Confectionery means sweets, chocolates. So when I told greeting card example, right? So along with greeting card, we used to give homemade sweets and all other things. Now confectionery companies have developed. So same sweets, casaries and all other homemade sweets we will not be giving for birthdays. Nowadays chocolates and cakes all have come, right? So confectionery companies business have developed. Why? They understood the need of the people. So birthday means they will be sending wishes through mobile, online, any posters, and they will be giving this confectionery items. So that is what dwellers live as a permanent resident. People who are living permanent resident in the same place mean they are called as dwellers. So permanent resident means dwellers, right? If they are moving from one place to other place means they are not permanent dwellers. They will be changing one place to other place, right? Almost we have completed all the topics. Okay, fine. We'll end up the session today with a new topic. I'll meet you in the next class. Till then, it's bye from Udaya.